Hello everyone, good evening. So today we are going to do triangle part second. See, I have divided this chapter into two sessions. Why? Because this chapter is I think lengthiest one in your 9th class syllabus. So that's why I divided it into two parts. In first part what we did, we study about some properties of a triangle like classification of triangle based of lines and angles. Based of lines, the length of sides and the value of angles. On this basis we classify angles in like on the base of line we classify isosceles, equilateral and all, and on the base of angle, right angle and acute angle, obtuse angle, triangle and all. Then we study about congruency. What is the congruency of triangle? Sir, two triangles are equal. Equal means they are equal in every sense. Corresponding lines are equal, corresponding angles are equal, the area is equal, the perimeter is equal. Then how to find that two triangles are equal or not, or congruent or not? We study about some parameters. Parameters means if you are able to prove that SAS, two sides and angle between them are equal, corresponding, I'm talking about in sense of corresponding, then we can say two triangles are congruent. Then we study about ASA, two angles and one side between them. Then we study AAS, two angles and any side, not between them, any one side. It can be this one, but not between one. Okay, so let's start today's session. Today we are going to talk about more two laws. Like where is my remote? Give me a second. Yeah. Now see, SSS, side. Okay, talk in Hindi. Okay, Yash Krishna, talk in Hindi. Okay. Okay, I will try. Actually, Sarji, hello. Yeah. Yash Krishna, hello. Okay. Side. SSS. ये भी एक लॉ है. By means ये भी एक क्राइटेरिया है. क्राइटेरिया टू प्रूव टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. ये भी एक क्राइटेरिया है टू ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूफ करने का. हाउ टू यूज इट? लेट्स से यू हैव टू ट्राइंगल्स. आपके पास दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, A, B and C, and another triangle D, E, F. I have to prove them congruent. मुझे इन्हें congruent proof करना है. अगर मैं proof कर दूं, if I prove that AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, then AC or CA is equal to FD or DF, then these two triangle will be congruent. तो ये दोनों triangle congruent हो जाएंगे. Okay, these two triangle will be congruent. Congruent means अब ये angle triangle ABC congruent हो जाएगा triangle DEF के. Okay. Now see, sir, we talk about orientation. हमने orientation की बात करी थी, order की बात करी थी. देखो इस triangle को मैं ABC लिखता हूँ, congruent है DEF के. सर आप FED भी तो लिख सकते हो, आप EFD भी तो लिख सकते हो, आप DFE भी तो लिख सकते हो. नहीं लिख सकता. We can't write in that way. Why? Because angle A is equal to angle D. आपने सबसे पहले कौन सा वर्टेक्स लिखा? सर वर्टेक्स A लिखा. तो अब आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि आपको वर्टेक्स D ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Why? Because sir angle A and D are equal. Okay, this line and this line equal, this line and this line equal, then angle between these two lines will be equals. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful कि जब आप ABC, आप कोई भी ऑर्डर में लिख दो, ABC लिख दो, BAC लिख दो, CA भी लिख दो, कोई भी ऑर्डर में, बट जब आप दूसरा ट्राइंगल लिख रहे हो ना, वेरी केयरफुल. व्हाई? सी, एंगल A एंगल D के बराबर होगा. फर्स्ट वर्टेक्स जो आपने लिखा है वो दूसरे वर्टेक्स वाले एंगल के बराबर होगा. मिडल वर्टेक्स मिडल एंगल के बराबर होगा. मींस ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर होगा. ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर होगा. मींस ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर होंगे. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइंस. सर AB is equal to DE. How did you write that AB? Sir, first vertex and second vertex. First vertex and second vertex. AC will be equal to DF. First vertex and last vertex. First vertex and last vertex. So that's why orientation or order, it's really important in the case of congruency, in the case of similarity. Sir, we know congruency. What is similarity? हमें congruency पता है, similarity क्या है? Hello sir, shout out, यश कृष्णा. Okay. So congruency तो हमें पता है. What is similarity? Similarity, you will learn about similarity in next class, in 10th class. Similarity आपके 10th class का syllabus है. Now what is RHS? We will talk about RHS also. Okay. So let's go for next. SSS rule. We have talked about SS rule. What is SS rule? If you prove 3 lines of a triangle are equal, if you prove 3 lines of triangle correspondingly they are equal, then these two triangles are congruent. Let's do some questions on it. For example, this question. For example, this question. Can you see two triangle LON NML? NOL NOL and this. Okay. NML NML. You have to prove these two lines are equal. Let's do it. First we have, sir, LO. Okay, LO, this line, LO. Then we have to prove this line is equal to NM. This line has to be equal to NM because we have to prove these two are congruent. हमें prove करना है ये दो congruent है. You know me, maths lover. No, if you can tell me your name, maybe I will know. Okay. LO, first vertex, second vertex. Then I have to take first vertex and second vertex NM. I have to prove that it is equal to NM. And as you can see, LO is equal to MN, which is NM also. So this is already what? Given. Now I have to prove ON is equal to ML. ON is equal to ML. ON is equal to ML. Sir, it is given to us. ON, NO. LM, MN. Ronak of Dev. Don't know, maybe you are one of my student, maybe. ON is equal to ML. It is also given, sir. Okay, now last one. I have to prove LN is equal to ML. Okay. LN is equal to NL. Sir, how can you prove this? How can we prove this? There is like, you don't have to think about it. Both are same. Sir, do you teach class 10? Yeah, I teach class 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 11, 12. Okay. This value is equal to this. Why, sir? Sir, both are same. Can you see this line is common in both the triangle? This line is common in both the triangles. So this is why they are same, sir, common. You go L to N. Like for example, you go Delhi to Mumbai or you go Mumbai to Delhi. The distance will be same. The distance will be same. I teach here in Infinity Learn. We have paid courses. In paid courses I teach, and also you will see me on YouTube. Okay, on this channel you will see every chapter of 9th class I have recorded, and other teacher have recorded 10th class chapter. Okay, now see, they are common. So using what? SSS by SSS, we have proved that this triangle LON is congruent to this triangle NML. That's it. Okay, let's go for next. In the given figure, apply triple S congruence condition and state the result in the symbolic form. Okay, we have to state the symbol in the we have to state the last result in symbolic form. Means you have to give two triangles which are congruent, and you have to give right orientation or right order. What is order? I will let you know. See, this line and this line are equal. LM is equal to LO. Okay, this line and this line are equal. MN is equal to NO. And sir, LN is common. LN is equal to LN. So triangle, one triangle you can write in any orientation. You can write LMN or MNL or NLM. You can write any orientation. I am writing, let's say, LMN. It should be congruent to. Now you are writing another triangle. You have to be very careful that you are writing here LM first. So which line is equal to LM? LM is equal to LO. Then you have to take LO. Then sir, we are writing MN. Which line is equal to MN? Sir, NO. But sir, we have already O here. So you have to write ON. So ON. Now see, orientation are same. LM is equal to LO. Yes sir, it is true. MN is equal to ON. Yes sir, this is also true. LN is equal to LN. Yes sir, this is also true. That's why order orientation of writing these vertices is really important. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप इसको सही से लिखो, सही ऑर्डर में लिखो, अदरवाइज वो कॉन्ग्रुएंसी नहीं कहलाएगी. ओके, नाउ RHS रूल देखो. फर्स्ट रूल, फर्स्ट थिंग ऑफ दिस रूल, you cannot apply this on any condition. Like you can't apply this rule for any triangle. This is specifically special for right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So what it rule says, first thing, right angle, that both the triangle should be right angle. Both the triangle should be right angle. Second, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Right angle triangle have hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Sir, base and perpendicular can be like assumed by the anyone who is like, I am a student. I can take this is as base, this is as perpendicular, or this is as perpendicular, this is his base. But hypotenuse is unique for everyone. Hypotenuse cannot be like this. Okay, for someone it can be this, for someone it can be this. So hypotenuse is common for everyone. So first thing, it should have a right angle. Second thing, hypotenuse should be equal. And third thing, any side, any one of the side should be equal. Any one of the side should be equal. It means this side can be equal to this, or this side can be equal to this, or this side can be equal to this, or this side can be equal to this. Okay. First condition, sir, both should be right angle triangle. Second condition, sir, hypotenuse equal होनी चाहिए. Hypotenuse should be equal. थर्ड कंडीशन, सर कोई भी एक साइड, आपने 4 केसेस बताया अभी, ये साइड इसके बराबर हो या ये साइड इसके बराबर हो, और ये साइड इसके बराबर हो या ये साइड इसके बराबर हो. इन चारों में से कोई एक केस भी हो गया ना, कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूफ हो जाएगी. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूफ हो जाएगी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर सम क्वेश्चंस. ओके सर, आइज वाले कॉम की वैल्यू बता दो. आइज वालों, आई डिडंट गेट योर कमेंट. आइज वालों कॉम, AD is the altitude of an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC, in which AB is equal to AC, so that AD bisect BC. So it's a isosceles triangle. Okay, now you have to prove this, that BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. That's what you have to prove. Okay, let me drink my water, please. Okay, AD is altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Show that AD bisect the BC. It means we have to prove that BD is equal to BC. How to prove it? Sir, you can use RHS. RHS. Okay, see, triangle ABD and triangle ADC both are right angle triangle. Both are right angle triangle and AB is equal to AC. Hypotenuse. Both are what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal. Both are right angle triangle. We have proved two things. Now I just have to prove only one thing. I have to just prove one line should be equal. Okay, and do you believe that AD is equal to AD? AD is equal to AD. Why? Common line. This is a common line. Common line. So by RHA triangle ABD, it should be congruent to triangle ACD. Now see, while writing this, you have to be very careful. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. BD should be equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. We haven't proved. Okay. AD, it should be equal to AD. Yes, sir. AD is equal to AD itself. Okay. It means, sir, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, which implies that BD should be equal to BD. Oh, it's D. Okay. BD, it should be equal to CD or DC. You can write DC or CD. So we have proved this, that D is a midpoint. D is a midpoint. It means D is a midpoint means AD bisect the line BC. Anyone any doubt till yet? Anyone any doubt till yet? Now this question. In given figure, BD and CE are two altitudes of a triangle ABC such that BD is equal to CE. Okay, BE is equal to BD is equal to CE. BE, BD, this line and this line is equal. Okay, hypotenuse is common between these two triangles. Can you see it? Hypotenuse is common between these two triangles. Prove that ABCD is an isosceles triangle. To prove it isosceles triangle, you have to prove what? You have to prove that this side and this side, they are equal. Okay, we have to go in this way. So for that, first let's take, okay, if I prove this, yeah, you can take triangle AEC and triangle AEC, yeah, ADB and ADB, these two triangles. Can you see these two triangles? These two triangles are right angle triangle. These two triangles are right angle triangle. These two triangles are right angle triangle. Let me make these two triangles. And another triangle. This is AED, AEC, AEC. Another triangle. ADB B. See clearly, this is right angle. Sir, this is right angle. Now what? Now what else you can do with this? Sir, this angle and this angle, they are equal. They are equal. Okay. Now what else? What else? Sir, we have to prove that this line and this line are equal. But you can't prove it with it. Hi. Hi, Manas. You can't prove it. BD is equal to CE. But sir, it is given that BD is equal to CE. See, this is right angle, this angle and this angle is common, and this line and this line is equal. Sir, using AAS, we can prove that these two triangles are congruent. How? See, angle A is equal to angle A. Why? Common. Okay. Now, angle D is equal to angle E. Why? Both are 90 degree, right angle triangle. Now, BD is equal to CE. Why? Given. Now, from what? Double AS triangle. First triangle you can write in any order, AEC. It should be congruent to. Sir, angle A is equal to angle A. You have to write angle A first. Angle D and angle C are equal. So we are writing E here. Then D and E are equal. I am writing E here. Then I have to write D here. And then what is remaining part? Remaining part is B, like EC BD. EC BD. So these two triangles are congruent. Then from here, can I say that AC is equal to AB is equal to AB? That's it. Mohammad Rahil, sir, angle A और B के बीच वाले. Okay, let's go for next. So we have proved that we have proved that this line and this line are equal. AB is equal to AC. Then from here I can say that clearly that this triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. What is the condition for isosceles triangle? Sir, both one of the pair of lines should be equal. So I have proved that this line and this line is equal. So from here I can say ABC is what? ABC is what? Isosceles triangle. Okay, so we have completed what? See, we have completed 4 laws. One is first we did SAS, 2 sides and 1 angle between them. Second we did what? ASA, 2 angles and 1 side between them. Then we did what? Double AS, 2 angles and any side which is connected to them, not middle one. What it means? Let's say this angle and this angle. You took these 2 angles to make it to prove them equal with another triangle. Okay. Then you can take this side equal to another side of another triangle, or this side, but can't take this side for double AS. Okay. Let's go for quizzes. Oh, before quizzes, and what then we did? Then today we did triple S, SSS, side. Then we did RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side, any one of the side. So whenever you have one right angle triangle, you should use RHS. But sir, should we use always? No. In previous question, see, in this question I had right angle triangle, but from double AS I had to go with it. So according to question you have to go. Because I choose such a triangle whose hypotenuse is not coming out to be equal. Hypotenuse were not coming out to be equal, so I can't use RHS. Okay, so I use what? Double AS. AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. Where is D? Yeah, DC. No, AB is not equal to DC. AB is not equal to DC. Now let's go for quizzes. 2 triangles PQR and STU are such that PQ is equal to ST, QR is equal to TU and PR is equal to SU. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, let's make these 2 triangles. triangle PQR and triangle STU, we have PQ is equal to ST. PQ is equal to ST. This line and this line equal. QR is equal to TU. QR is equal to TU. And PR is equal to SU. PR is equal to SU. See, as I told you, first triangle you can write down with any way of order. First triangle you can write down in any way of order, like PQR, RQP, or QRP, QPR, any way. But while writing the second one, you have to be very careful. Like first you write PQ, then which line is equal to PQ? Sir, ST. Then you have to write ST first. You have to write ST first. Okay? Okay. Now next, QR. QR. Which line is equal to QR? Sir, TU. Then you have to take U. पर सर मैं तो मास्टर्स कर रहा हूँ, मेरे क्या काम का? It depends in which subject you are doing your masters. If you are doing your master in like a BCA, like MCA, okay, in MCA there are elementary mathematics. That elementary mathematics is up to 10th class. So maybe for you it is usable. Like whenever I get stuck now between any like say theorem and all, where I search about it. I search about it on Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is famous for coding, but also it contain many contain about mathematics, elementary mathematics. So that's why for in coding, field of coding, mathematics is required. Let's go for next. Okay, how did we prove that these two triangles are congruent? Sir, by SSS. Next. AB is equal to QR. AB is equal to QR, BC is equal to RP, and CA is equal to PQ. Then which of the following holds? Now see, here you will see why the order is important. Why the order is important. AB is equal to QR. Okay, triangle. We have two triangle. A, B, and C. I have another triangle. PQR. PQR. First it says AB is equal to QR. AB is equal to QR. BC is equal to RP. BC is equal to RP. RP. Yeah. CA is equal to PQ. CA is equal to PQ. Now, first triangle you can write in any order. First triangle you can write in any order. Like ABC, we have ABC. Let's take ABC. Okay. AB is equal to QR. AB is equal to QR. BC is equal to RP. CA is equal to PQ. Okay. Take ABC first. Triangle ABC first. What will be the congruent triangle of it? AB. Okay. AB. Which line is equal to AB? QR. QR. Then we have BC. Which line is equal to BC? RP. So these two triangles will be congruent. What we have PQR. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Let's go for next. Triangle CBA. Triangle CB. Triangle CBA. Okay. CB is equal to what? CB is equal to RQ. CB is equal to RQ. No. CB is equal to RP. Okay. CB is equal to RP. And CB is between them. Then PR actually. Triangle PR. See, from here you can find angles also where angles are equal. See, angle A is equal to what? Angle A is between three lines, line and one line. Three line and one line, Q. This angle and this angle equal. Now, angle B is what? Angle B is between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This angle is equal to B. Okay. And angle C will be equal to this. So, first I am getting C. Then I have to take P. Then I am getting B. Which one is equal to B? R. Then I am getting A. Which one is equal to A? Q. PRQ. PQR. Wrong. Wrong. Now take CAB. triangle CAB is congruent to, see, angle C is equal to angle P. Then angle A is equal to angle Q. Then angle B is equal to angle R. PQR. Option C is the right answer. Where is my remote? Next. Okay, in figure given that AC is equal to BD, A to C is equal to B to T. Sir, hypotenuse are equal. I can clearly see these two triangles are right angle triangle. Which two triangles are congruent by RHS? See, this triangle and this triangle. Both are right angle triangle. Okay. Hypotenuse is equal. Okay. And same base. They have same base. And sir, because same base, we have one side which is equal. So triangle ABC is congruent to. Now be very careful. Angle C we write at the end. Then we have to write angle. Okay, sorry. Angle B, which is right angle triangle, and angle C is right angle triangle here. Okay. This line AC is equal to DB. Then we have to take DB. Not DB. Okay. Let's do it. BC and BC. So BC will be equal. Then we can write BC at the end, but CB actually. This will be the right orientation. Sir, how did you get that? See, BC, yeah, it has BC. And another triangle, it also has BC. But B is a right angle triangle. I can write down BC, but the right angle triangle is coming out in middle. Then I have to be very careful while writing the other triangle, that right angle triangle on C. Then I have to write CB and here D. Okay, because C has to be come in middle, because C is right angle and B is right angle. So the position of B and C should be same. Okay, let's go for next. Okay, here in the figure below, the length of the sides of the triangle are given. Which of the following statement correct? Okay, so these two triangles don't look like same. Okay, they are not look like same. It doesn't matter because they are rough figure. They are what? Rough figure. You just have to go with the information which is given in the form of numbers and words. Okay, this side PR is equal to this side YZ. So PR is equal to YZ, and then line QZ, XZ is equal to PQ. So PQ is equal to XZ. Okay, and QR is equal to XY. Okay, now let's go which two triangles are congruent. Triangle and triangle. Okay, let's take XYZ. Do we have XYZ? Yeah, we have XYZ. So XYZ as it is congruent to. Now you have to be very careful. Let's find out which two angles are equal. See, angle Y is between 5 and 7. Which one is between 5 and 7? Sir, this one. So this angle and this angle, they are equal. Angle Z is between 7 and 4. 7 and 4, this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. And the remaining one, they will be equal. Now X, Y, Z. X is equal to Q. X is equal to Q. Then we have Y. Y is equal to R. Okay, and remaining one is P. QRP. QRP. Option B. Any doubt in this question, anyone? Next, in triangle ABC and PQR, if AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and CA is equal to RP. Again, see, most of the question, see, chapter in reproduction in animal, I think Devika ma'am, she has done already. if you go in all the live video, or you can go with the past video, in there you will find Devika ma'am, she is taking biology. You will find reproduction in animal there. I think last week or before last week, in that week Devika ma'am done this. Okay, so you can find there. Okay, ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR. If AB is equal to PQ, let's make these two triangles. ABC and PQR. Okay, AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR. QR. Okay. CA is equal to RP. CA is equal to RP. Okay. So angle A is between 1 dash and triple dash. So angle A and angle P are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. Okay. And angle B is 1 dash and double dash. 1 dash double dash. This angle and angle B are equal. And this remaining one, they are equal. Now see, ABC, 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 ABC. For everyone, fact with zero. Sir चैप्टर कौन सा है? सर ऑप्शन 1 सही है. ओके, ये चैप्टर तो है ट्राइंगल्स फॉर 9th class triangle, which we have done triple S, SAS, ASA, RHS and double AS. Okay, these 5 laws we have covered in this chapter, and one of the lengthiest chapter for 9th class. And one of you says Shoaib Hashmi, sir option 1 sahi hai. Let's see. Now let's go for orientation. Triangle ABC is congruent to, see, angle A is equal to angle P. Okay, angle Q is equal to angle B is equal to angle Q. Then you have to take Q, then remaining one PQR. So PQR, yeah, Shoaib Hasmi, you are right. Option 1 is right. Option 1 is right. Let's go for which of the following is not a criteria for a congruency of triangle. Okay, which one of them is not a criteria for congruency of triangle? In this chapter we covered SAS, then we covered ASA, then we covered AAS, then we covered SSS, then we covered RHS. Only these 5 criteria you will see for congruency, and in 10th class you will see AAA criteria also, but not for the congruency, for the similarity. As I told you in the beginning of this session that congruency of the triangle is part of 9th class. You will see triple S rule. No, triple S rule is wrong. Triple S is a part of this. Triple S is a part of criteria. Triple S is a part of criteria. The right answer is double SA. Yeah. Okay. Double SA. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, 2 triangles are congruent if 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 sides of the other triangle. This congruency criteria known as what? Like you are using 3 sides of one triangle and 3 sides of one triangle, and you are saying that these 3 lines are equal to corresponding line of another triangle. Which criteria you are using here? Which criteria you are using here? Which criteria you are using here? Can you let me know, please? You are using triple S. You are using what? Triple S. Yeah, you are using triple S. Now, in 2 right triangles, one side and one acute angle of one are equal to the corresponding side and acute angle of the other. Are the 2 triangles congruent? Actually, they are congruent. They are congruent. But I want to know using which rule. See, one side and one acute angle of one are equal to the corresponding. We have 2 right angle triangles. We have 2 right angle triangles. this this angle and this angle equal, and it says one acute angle equal. Now they are asking for one side is also equal, but they haven't specifically said that which side. Now you can't conclude one single answer. Why? Let me tell you. Because there is a problem with this question. Like this question can be solved with this also, and with RHS also. No, not with RHS. In RHS we need at least one side. Okay. See, if this side is equal to this side, you can say, sir, ASA. Or if this side is equal to this side, or this side is equal to this side, then in that case you can use double AS. So this question is not so specific, but this question should be like this: if hypotenuse is equal and one acute angle and it is a right angle triangle. In that case you can clearly see this this law will be followed. Sir, 23 December आने वाली है. Yeah, I know 23 December आने वाली है. So what? So in this question there is a problem. They should, instead of one side they should say hypotenuse, because if this side is equal you can go with ASA, or if this side or this side are equal then you can go with double AS. Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? AD is an altitude and BE is median of ABC. Which of the following condition would make triangle ADB is congruent to BEC? Okay, let's do it. There is a triangle ABC, A, B and C, and you make one altitude, and BE is the median. BE is a median of ABC. Okay, which of the following condition would make ADB, okay, ADB, this triangle, a right angle triangle, ADB, and BEC, okay, this is E, C and B. What condition will make them a congruent triangle? Okay, sir. See, do we have anything common them? Sir, only angle B. No. But angle B, there is a problem that angle B here in this triangle, angle B is this part, and for this triangle, angle B is this part. So nothing is common there. Okay. And sir, one more thing. This line is equal to this line. Okay. These two we know. Only these two things we know. Then what we can do? We need RHS congruency rule. For RHS congruency rule, sir, this should be 90 degree. This should be 90 degree. So it means this altitude will become median. It is happened only in two cases. Only in two cases. In the case of isosceles triangle, in isosceles triangle, only one median is equal to one altitude. Which altitude? Which is from starting from the point A, where AB and AC are equal. Okay, that one altitude become median. But in the case of equilateral triangle, every median is equal to every altitude, and every altitude is equal to a median. Okay, so this angle should be equal to this angle. Okay, and then one side should be equal, like BC should be equal to this line. Yeah, now it's becoming possible. Like BC is equal to BA, then sir, it will become an isosceles triangle. Okay, only we need this line. AB should be equal to BC. From here you can prove it. These two triangles are, no, not yet. Now you need one more line. Okay, now you need one more line. Like it will become that this line and this line are equal, and automatically this will become what? 90 degree angle. But still one more thing, that we need one line should be equal. Or it will, can we say that BD is equal to this? No sir, we can't say, because we are getting isosceles triangle in this way. We are getting this isosceles triangle where this is B, this is this is A, okay, and this is C. We are getting this line 90 degree and this line. 90 degree. There is no problem with these two triangles BCD. This is E and this is D. We don't have any problem with BCE and BAE. They are congruent. They are congruent. But you can't say that these two triangles is also congruent. Okay. And sir, this is not a median. It is also given that it is not median. So we can't do it. We can't do it. We don't have any further information. There is no direct RHS applicability without more information. We need one more information at least. For two right angle triangle to be congruent by RHS criteria, what must be equal? Hypotenuse and one side. Hypotenuse and one side. Both are right angle triangles. Okay. Then what is the problem? Sir, you get the one angle. Then you need one hypotenuse and one side. And okay. Any two side would be enough? No. There is no criteria for double SA. Okay. Hypotenuse and any one angle? Actually, these are also applicable. Why, sir? Why? Because right angle triangle follows Pythagorean theorem. Right angle triangle follows Pythagorean theorem. But there is a problem. If your this line become equal to this line, they are not what? They are not congruent. Why, sir? This line is equal to this line. This line is connected to 90 degree. This line is not connected to 90 degree. They are not right angle triangle. So what we need? Hypotenuse and any one side. What about, sir, hypotenuse and any one angle? Any one angle. Sir, one angle we already have. And if hypotenuse will become equal, then what? You can't say then. You can't say. Why? Because we need at least one more angle should be equal. You can use double AS. Then you can use double AS. Okay. So that's all for today. We have completed this chapter. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, we have to end this chapter here. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Then we can end this chapter here. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.